Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to add and customize text in your video editing timeline step by step. Let's start by adding some text. Just click on the text tool. It's the little T icon near your timeline. Once selected, click anywhere on the preview screen and start typing your text. You'll see a new text clip appear in your timeline automatically. Now, to reposition the text on screen, to customize the look of your text, head over to the Essential Graphics panel. Here you can change the font style to anything you like. You can also adjust the text size to make it more readable. Next, let's give it some color. Still in the Essential Graphics panel, scroll down to find the Fill option. Click on the color box and choose the shade that works best for your video's theme. Now back in the timeline, if you want to control when the text appears, just drag the text clip left or right to reposition it. If you'd like to add a smooth fade in or fade out effect, go to the window menu and open Effects Control. In the Effects panel, search for Cross Dissolve. Once you find it, just drag and drop that effect onto the beginning and end of your text clip in the timeline. This will give your text a clean, professional fade as it appears and disappears. And that's it. You've now learned how to add, style, and animate text in your video. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.